Show me how to make the wiggly worm.
Then put it back on. Put it a bit. Then you chop it off. Make it into a wiggly worm. Put it on the ball. And then make another wiggly worm. Like this big. Top it off. Pull it off.
What is this, by the way?
Cake
Oh, it looks yummy.
for the picnic.
Picnic?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Now, what we have to do is take this off,
Mm.
make it into a ball. Yeah?
Mm.
Because I don't like this.
Okay.
Because everybody does have a picnic.
What were
like
they
this.
supposed to be?
A cake.
Those things that you make into a ball now? Mini cakes?
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
No. The one. Give me another plate, please. Oh, I don't. I don't.
You don't need one?
No.
Okay.
Just use this because if you put it on the blanket, it gets very hard.
It's hard to chop, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm gonna chop it up. Choppy, 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 chop, 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 chop. By the way, I like your hair.
Oh, thank you. I like your hair also. It's a nice
Also-
cut.
If I put your hair like this and like this first, and then put it on like this, it's a Rapunzel's hair.
Oh, Rapunzel.
By the way, can I have your button?
Yeah, you can have that.
What's it?
I made like a snail. I made a wiggly worm and then I wound it up. Round and round. Shall I show you how to do it?
No. I will have to do it by myself.
That lovely snore came from Mum.
Mom, look.
Did you hear that snore?